welcome to a new episode of Yeen where I'll be reviewing the latest in beauty. So today we have 3 high-tech beauty gadgets that are able to up your skincare game in no time. So let's get started! The first and the biggest of the lot is this futuristic looking LED Mask Platinum by Korean brand Cellreturn. Now you may have seen this mask in the Korean drama The King Eternal Monarch, and yes, it's the same one that Lee Min-ho was using in Runway. So this mask has 1029 LED lights to emit wavelengths of light to target different skin concerns. So all you have to do is put your palm on top here to turn it on, basically. So there's a couple of different lights that you can choose from. So my favorite is the fast mode. It gets the job done in just 9 minutes. It combines the red, blue and pink light all in just, less than 10 minutes. And I really like it because for someone who is really impatient, and also because I'm really bad with sitting down for 20 minutes without doing anything, especially not using my phone, so this actually really works for me. So one of the more noticeable differences I've seen is that my skin heals way faster now than it did before, especially with blemishes that take more time to recover usually. So yeah, I would say this works for me. Now, if you're looking for a way to tone up your face and give your jawline a more defined appearance, the Foreo Bear might work for you. So this little cute device actually uses microcurrents and T-sonic pulsations to firm up your skin for a more youthful appearance. So it's recommended that you use this with the app, and you can also find facial fitness routines and even use it to locate your Foreo Bear if you ever misplace it, which we would understand because it's kind of small and cute anyway. There's a range of microcurrent intensities you can choose from the app, but personally my skin can only take up to 15. Anything that is more than that feels like I'm getting zapped. But I actually really like how concise it is, so it's great for traveling and it's pretty weightless as well. So if you're looking to get a V-shaped appearance and a more defined chin, the Foreo Bear is what you can consider. So the last device on my list today is Nu Skin's ageLOC Galvanic Spa, which is able to give you a spa-like experience from home. So this device uses galvanic currents to better deliver active ingredients to your skin, and it's also multi-purpose, so you can use this on your face, body and scalp, depending on your concerns. Now I like to use this for my eye areas when I feel like I need a pick-me-up. But the thing with this is that you cannot expect instantaneous results overnight, so I would recommend using this regularly for weeks and even months to see major differences to your skin. And that is all for today's beauty gadget edition of Yeen. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. For more information, click in the link below in our description box. See you next time!